Hello, I am Dan, and today we will talk about the basic biology of giant freshwater prawn, Macrobrachium rosenbergi. The giant freshwater prawn, Macrobrachium rosenbergi, locally called ULANG, grows to a large size in the Indo-Pacific region and is a popular aquatic food in Africa, Asia, South America, Pacific countries, North and Central America. It is an invertebrate with exoskeleton or shell. The body is composed of three parts: the head, the abdomen, and the tail. There are 5 pairs of walking legs at the head part. The first pair is used for putting food into the mouth. The second pair is much larger than the others and ends in pronounced claws. The claws are used for self-defense and catching food. The rostrum develops at the tip of the head. Dorsal and ventral rostrum teeth number 12 to 15 and 18 to 14 respectively. There are 5 pairs of swimming legs at the abdomen, with 1 pair at each abdominal somin, except the last one. The tail part is composed of 2 uropods and 1 telson, so in the picture you can see the morphological characteristics of giant freshwater prawn. Macrobrachium rosenbergi grows fast and can tolerate moderate temperature and salinity changes and can be cultured in ponds. In nature, Macrobrachium rosenbergi spawns in estuaries. There are 200 species of Macrobrachium in the world, of which 49 are commercial. 27 of the commercial species are found in Asia and the Pacific region. Most live in freshwater, while few species live in brackish water in the mouth of rivers. Macrobrachium rosenbergi is found in the tropical and subtropical waters in the Indo-Pacific region in Malaysia, Thailand, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Macrobrachium rosenbergi are generally found in freshwater in ponds, rivers, lakes, ditches, canals, depressions, low-lying floodplains, and river mouth. They move upstream, entering lakes and even paddy fields up to about 200 kilometers from the sea. This type of migration is observed not only in M. rosenbergi but also in other species of Macrobrachium. So in this picture, we can see the habitat of Macrobrachium rosenbergi given its stage of life. Macrobrachium rosenbergi was reported to abound in the Ilocos, Cagayan, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Aurora, Quezon, Cordillera region, Bulacan, Laguna, Mindoro, Palawan, Bicol region, Leyte, Samar, Cotabato provinces, Lanao provinces, Maguindanao, Agusan provinces, and other areas in Mindanao. When it comes to their appearance, mature male prawns are considerably larger than the females, and the second walking leg is much larger. The head of the male is also proportionally bigger. The genital pores of the male are between the bases of the 5th pair of walking legs. During the spawning season, the abdomen of the female is larger and gravid females can be easily distinguished. There are 4 stages in the life of freshwater prawn: the egg stage, larval stage, post-larval stage, juvenile stage, and adult stage. Those stages can be seen in this picture. At their adult stage in the natural environment, mating of Macrobrachium takes place all year round, although due to environmental reasons, peak mating takes place only during certain periods of the year. Females generally become reproductively mature within 5 to 6 months. A female prawn with matured gonad copulates just after molting, with the male prawn having a hard shell. During copulation, the male deposits a gelatinous mass or spermatophore on the underside of the thorax of the female between her 3rd pair of walking legs. This video shows the natural mating of Macrobrachium rosenbergi. The female prawn releases its eggs a few hours after copulation and are fertilized by the sperm contained in the gelatinous mass attached to the underside of the female's body. The female then transfers the fertilized eggs to the underside of the abdominal region, where they are kept aerated and cleaned. by movement of abdominal swimming appendages or the pleopods. Eggs remain attached to the abdomen until they hatch. A fully matured female of 50 to 100 grams can carry 50,000 to 100,000 eggs respectively, but at first maturity, due to the female's small size, it lays only 5,000 to 20,000 eggs. Newly hatched prawns passes into a larval development phase of growth by means of metamorphosis.
So that's the basic biology of giant freshwater prawn, Macrovacuum rosenbergi. Thank you very much.